Starting on Monday, you will have the ability to send documents to be printed in color. So you're going to notice under staff there is now a color printing request form. You need to be logged onto your ISD 255 account to fill this form out. When you do, you request your number and pages of copies, etc., but it needs to be attached as a PDF to be printed in color. So how do you do that? You convert them into PDFs. So here I've got a Google Doc. I click File, Download As, and select a PDF. And basically it's going to download it, in which case I can open it. I can do a right click, Save As, and put it out on my desktop, or print it right from here. Same with a Google Slideshow. I can do a File, Download As, a PDF. Again, it will download that, and I can open it up, save the PDF, or print it right from there. If I'm in Microsoft Word, it's about the same, except this time I export and I create a PDF. And you can see now it's changed the file type. I go ahead and put it on my desktop, hit Publish, and now it's a PDF. I can go out to that desktop. I can find my save to a PDF right here, and I can print that to send in with my copy request. So you can really change most anything into a PDF to be sent in to color copying. And if you got any questions or problems, please let me know.